welcome to a chaotic family vacation RC Sailors special. Called a mix between a vlog that we used to do and just a nice revisit of this awesome Jet Jam Proboat RC boat.
Didn't I tell you guys we needed a pool in our lives?
Well,
maybe I knew something that you didn't.
We had to drive pretty far to get to the pool, so here we are in our little hotel room. There's Happy Kiddo. Surprised you showed that.
There's like a random dollar on the table.
It's Millie's dollar. And a beautiful view here. We wanted to do the intro on the balcony, but it's way too windy, and where we're going to do this, the pool is very close to the ocean, so we're not sure if the audio will come out at all. Probably not. It's extremely windy.
Can you guys see the wind?
They'll hear it. We'll show it. We'll let them hear it.
See it? It's wild. It's like 17 miles an hour every day.
So we called this the ultimate pool boat, even though we tested it in a lake. And we're going to try to put our money where our mouth is and see if we can test this in the pool. Hopefully nobody's there, and if they are there, they like RC boats. And we attached the cool little clip, which we did not do in the first video of this boat. This is actually Abby's favorite boat of Boat Week 2, when he's playing for choice. And so we wanted to test this primarily, also test it in a pool to see how that goes. And I still intend to test this maybe in a...
The air kicked on.
There. I still intend to test this. Hopefully you guys are okay with this. Some of you have already clicked away. I don't like you anyway. Hopefully we'll test this as an actual recovery boat, which is kind of what I dubbed this as, the perfect recovery boat because of this. One of our viewers even said they cut a pool noodle to shape, right, to go around this so that it could have an even bigger arm on the front to really catch hold of the RC boat and pull back in. So you might see a few videos of this trip. Hopefully we can get some recorded.
I don't know if they're all going to go out in a row or if we're going to randomly release vacation
might be released
videos.
a month later as Boat Week 3. But we do intend to Boat Week 3. Longer intro because very odd setup for our main YouTube channel. But we thought we're going to go take a little mini family vacation.
That was a good drink.
We will bring some RCs, and that we did. Nothing crazy because she took up most of the car space, but that's another benefit of this RC. It's really small and it traveled really well. So let's take it to the pool. You might hear 5 seconds of audio because it'll be so windy. We'll see how this turns out. It should be fun. Let's go.
Hi, Popeye. Are you having a good time? Are you having a good time?
The water's like ice this morning. But
Oh, it is cold.
yeah, it is. There you go. So it still drives really well with that on the front.
Amelia, throw your toys in, baby.
It feels much faster
She
in
took
this
all her
small
toys out.
pool than it did on the lake. It feels very fast now. There we go. Okay, well we need to test and see if it can push stuff around, right?
Can we use your toys, Amelia?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
It's easy to get it lined up with that and then to push it. And if you're low throttle, you can just keep pushing it right along. Now that's a small thing, obviously, so it fits right in there perfectly, but it's doing really well.
Well, Amelia doesn't want to seize her toys now.
Now the big pool has a good number of people in there, at least around it, so I don't want to draw too much attention there. That's why we're doing the kiddie pool.
Well, and we can keep an eye on the girls. Oh, toy! It's not bugging anybody. It's just a good little ant. Okay? We don't need to hurt the ant just because it's there. This is going to be an interesting video.
This is the family chaos of RC. But it's great. The reason this is so good is because the front of the boat has this rubber tip already built into it. The bottom doesn't have any propeller exposed at all. And if you think about a propeller on the bottom of a boat, it's, you know, you could hurt your fingers. There's even a little guard in there. Don't stick your fingers in there, but there is a guard in there so that, you know, there is a prop in there, but it's completely buried underneath the boat.
Nice.
So that's not going to hit any.
Are you splashing? Splash, splash. Splash your feet. You gonna try to drive it?
Here.
Okay, Amelia's driving.
Look at that.
Turn!
Okay, we'll go backwards. Okay, get ready. Good turn. Oh, there went between Daddy's legs. What do you think? Okay, let Daddy turn it. We gotta turn this way.
It got
There we
it.
go, there you go. Now you drive it
Gotcha.
underneath the fountain.
Oh, let's go under the fountain.
Let's go into the fountain.
Turn it.
Reverse is basically not working. Let's go under the fountain. Help Daddy drive. There we go. Under the fountain. There you go. Wow, you went under the fountain, Amelia. Wow. And now Daddy drive it? Okay. Well, Abby, you have to give it a shot in the pool.
Okay. I want to drive it like a tunnel.
Underneath the, yeah. So, when the RC Sailors go on vacation, do we bring RCs with us? Yes.
Always.
Always. Be it a drone, be it whatever. What do you think about actually driving a boat in a pool?
It's cool.
Little pool.
We've never really got to drive it in a pool, anything really. Tell them about what we saw out there the other day.
Right, so guys, this is our view from the pool we're in, which is really awesome, just like a hidden gem here. But we saw a couple A-10s fly by. I mean, they tipped their wings like this so you could see the cockpit, and they were in formation, two of them, two A-10s just flying along the coastline like that. Man, it was so awesome. You guys see the view of the beach. Isn't that cool? Yeah. It's windy, but it's not like crazy windy. Abby driving a boat in the pool. Now they have these little micro boats. I knew you were trying to do that. They make these, for some reason reverse is doing nothing in the pool at least. They make these little micro boats, and it kind of makes me wish we had brought one of those. You remember the bathtub boats?
Oh yeah, those were fun.
Look at that, you figured it out. Whoa! And in my opinion, this is what RC is always about. It's not what you guys always get to see on camera. A little bit more transparent today. Bringing you guys along with us on vacation, but we thought it was a must for this boat. We do not have a pool access where we are from, so oh no! She was going into the... Hey, reverse isn't working right now. It's windy, but it's not too windy. Yeah, thought we'd bring you guys along with us. We had to test this in a pool. We told you we would. No pool access where we are at, so here we are. Kind of like driving it in a pool.
Yeah.
Oh, I wish those A-10s would fly by again for everybody.
Cool. I was about to say, look.
I know.
I thought those were the geese. I thought the geese were.
I don't think they're geese. I think those are pelicans.
Pelicans,
yeah.
whatever they are.
Yeah, those are pelicans.
That was so funny. They were flying in formation.
Yeah. Well, no A-10s, but that's pretty cool too. So yeah, like, I don't know. I've always wanted our RC channel to be more vloggy style than like reviewy style. I think that of all the RC channels on YouTube, we are probably the most vloggy, but not really vloggy. We don't show like, actually there might be one that we used to be more,
but then YouTube
separated it with the whole
families. So.
Yeah, made it harder. But this is so cool, isn't it?
Very.
Well, I think we could just drive this till the battery dies.
Yeah.
Does everybody want to keep watching, or should we just enjoy some family time? Lily's having a good time. Look, let it go. Good job. Mommy's pushing it. Whoa, Mommy, you wrecked her boat. No. I'll get it, I'll get it. Here, dump all the water. Dump all the water out. There, now put your, oops, it's not a submarine, is it? Oh, dump all the water out. You did get water. Oh, guys. We haven't gone on a vacation since October of 2019, and normally Abby and I really enjoy vacations. Mommy's gonna get it.
We're not. Mommy's gonna pound it.
Here.
Okay, you ready? I'll get it for you.
Mommy's gonna get it. There, this is the first time Abby's tested the pushing capability of this.
Look, I got it.
Now this is what it was actually designed to do, is push around pool toys. But I think it would be a good recovery boat.
I got it for you. Go get it.
There, now you can get it. Good job. You got it. She does not like us pushing her toys with the boat. Oh, well, it might be about...
The approach is difficult.
The approach can be difficult, but once you get it hooked, you pretty well keep it hooked. There you go. Oh, that's cool.
The circle.
No, that's cool.
That's funny. Oh, it's gonna come
She's
off.
got it hooked.
Look, Amelia, I got your toy.
Mommy's gonna deliver it. Look, look. See? Here, I'll help. Here you go. All right. Well, there you go. The Proboat Jet Jam in a pool. This is what it was designed to do, and I think it does it extremely well. So your favorite boat of boat week 2. Mine's a bit more powerful, you know. That was my favorite. My favorite was very powerful. If you guys missed boat week 2, you should check it out. But I'm telling you, tens of thousands of people tuned in for just boat week 1 and 2. Nobody's having fun.
Yeah, she is.
Let's kick this camera off and have some family fun time, yeah?
Yeah.
We'll do one more. Who, after watching this video, has to go to the bathroom now? Guys, this is fun. Family little vacation trip. We haven't had a chance to do that for over a year and a half, and you know, for us, we try to prioritize family time. I encourage you guys to do the same if you can, or just self time, you know? Get out and drive your RCs, fly your RCs, enjoy the hobby, do something that brings some peace and relaxation to you, and hopefully this video helped get you there. If you love this boat, like we do, we'll have a link in the description box below. Know that if you use our link, you do help support our channel and our family. And I have to say a massive thanks to God for just getting us here safely through this is actually during the gas crisis. It was in the news. It kind of seems to be clearing up now, but thank God for getting us here safely and just letting us have a good family vacation. And for you guys watching, we're so grateful. Also, massive thanks to our Patreon supporters, because you know we couldn't do our channel without you guys. So thank you from the bottom of our hearts. We'll have our original boat driving video, this one, where we drove it for the first time in the lake, popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. See you there.
Bye.